Your chest might be broad. Your abs and back might be as shredded as everyone else's. But when it's time to go outside, all people see are two hanging noodles coming out of your sleeves. On back day, you do pull-ups with full strength and think that this will grow your back. Wrong. Think about it. When you train pull-ups to failure, what gives up first? Your back or your grip? Obviously, your grip gives up first. So if you actually want your back to grow, you must personally focus on your forearms. And in this video, we'll discover the easiest and cheapest way to train your forearms. You just need to watch this video till the end. And I'm 100% sure that if you follow these exercises for just 1 month, when you shake hands with people, they'll definitely feel the dominance in your grip. Now you might be wondering, how can you increase wrist size? Well, the bad news is, practically, you cannot increase the size of your wrists because there's no muscle there, only bone. That's why wrist size is genetic, not something you can grow through training. So if someone tells you that wrist size can be increased, just tell them to go watch Muscle X videos. But don't worry, here's the good news. You may not be able to increase wrist size, but you can create the illusion that your wrists are bigger. And no, I'm not talking about wearing a watch or bracelets. I'm talking about training your forearms. When you personally focus on forearms, you'll realize that they grow pretty quickly. And once your forearms grow, your wrists automatically start looking bigger. But the problem is 90% of people don't even understand forearm training properly. You don't need to spend 2 extra hours training them, and you don't need to do thousands of reps. You just need to train 4 things that actually grow forearms: elbow flexion, wrist flexion and extension, pronation and supination, and grip strength. If you get these right, your veins will start becoming visible. Your grip strength will increase, and most importantly, your forearms will start looking impressive. Then, whenever you wear a t-shirt, it'll look like every t-shirt was designed just to flex your forearms. Now you know the important movements, but before performing these exercises, you need to know about one muscle, the brachioradialis, the real game changer. This is the muscle that makes your forearms look thick from every angle. And this is the reason why many people train for months and still get 0 results, because they don't train this muscle properly. The best part is, you don't need heavy weights or hours of training. You just need the correct angle to force this muscle to work. All right, here are 5 exercises that will actually grow your forearms. Number 1, pronated biceps curl, brachioradialis builder. Use dumbbells, backpacks, or water bottles. Doesn't matter. Just pick something and start doing biceps curls. The key is to hold the weight with your palms facing down. This activates your brachioradialis muscle. Do 2 sets and you'll instantly see a pump in your forearms. Number 2, dead hang. A simple exercise that increases your grip strength. Just find a bar and hang from it. No bar? Try hanging from a door. But make sure the door is strong, because if it's not, that might be your last training session. If you can hold for 30 seconds, then either you're lying or you're a bat. Number 3, towel hang. If the dead hang feels easy, try this. Hang from a towel instead of a bar. When you hang from a towel, you train your grip, forearms, and brachioradialis up to 10x harder. After this, you might even climb skyscrapers like Alex Honnold. Well, only if Netflix offers you a deal. Number 4, rice bucket drills. Put your hands inside a bucket filled with rice. Then, open your fingers, close them, twist your wrists, repeat. Just make sure your mom isn't home. This exercise trains muscles that even the gym can't train properly. The best part is, you can do it while sitting at home watching TV. Number 5, finger push-ups. If you can't do the rice bucket exercise, don't worry. This exercise will bring out your inner Bruce Lee and give you strength you didn't even know existed. Yes, it's very hard. When you reach failure, your fingers will start speaking languages you don't understand, but don't give up. If it becomes too difficult, put your knees on the ground and continue. No excuses.